المتحدث الثاني عندنا باحث في البيئة ومهتم في الاتزان البيئي. نرحب جميعا بالدكتور حسان عقيل.
وأنا حاب أشكر زملائي وزميلاتي في النادي السعودي نيوكاسل على إبداعكم فيه. يعطيكم العافية يا شباب. But before I start, let me introduce myself. My name is Hassan عقيل. I work as an environmental specialist at the National Center for Environmental. Okay. So I obtained double masters. Master of Science in Environmental Science in Cambridge University, and Master of Research in Environmental Management from University of Portland. So now I'm a PhD researcher in environmental health risk management in University of Birmingham under supervision Dr. Muhammad and Dr. Stewart.
Technology is wonderful.
What have you done to doing succeed?
Okay. Yeah, okay, so I will talk about microplastic pollution. So what we mean of microplastic are tiny plastic particles resulting from commercial products, and the breakdown of large plastic. Microplastic have been defined as emerging contaminants and that can be here in the environment, such as marine ecosystems. So now, we talk about plastic size classification. How we divide the microplastic by size. From 1 micrometer to millimeter, 5 millimeter, we call it microplastic, like this. Below this, we call it nanoplastic. And at this size, we call it mesoplastic. There are many shapes of microplastic, but the common one, microfibers, films, foam, microbits, and fragments. So, how microplastic enter the environment? We have two sources for this. Primary, enter the environment through the directly, I mean from the cosmetic, medicine, industrial manufacturing, through the wastewater treatment plants. And secondary, we call it resulting from breakdown of large plastic in the environment. Look at the solution of microplastic. There are many factors help to distribute the microplastic in the environment: air, water, soil, sediment, ice caps, Arctic, mountain tops, and beauty, including human. So, global release of microplastic to the marine. We have many ways help to release microplastic in the environment, like city test, tiles, washing machine, and the latest one is the washing machines. Okay, there are common types of microplastic and the uses. We have polyethylene, polypropylene, polyestyrene, and they are used for plastic bag and bottles and cups. So the highest one in environment is polyethylene, and you see the figures. Environmental transport of microplastic. Transport process can distribute into microplastic compartments, generally causing a flow from land to river and to sea. Depending on their size, density, and shape, microplastics settle in the river sediment and flow downstream and reach the marine environment. Transport also enforced by wind speed and direction as well as water movement. Currents and waves can transport microplastic quantity on the scale from meter to thousands of kilometers. This figure explains how the microplastic impact the marine environment. So they release from the wastewater plant to the sea and ingested from the biota like fish, and could be affect human health as well. Okay, this photo is an example for impact of microplastic to butane. As we see, all these light colors is plastic in the abdominal stomach. So all these plastic found in the stomach of butane. So microplastic divided in seafood and table salt and beer. How microplastic could impact human? There are many studies found out that there are a lot of particles inside the tissue and the stomach of fishes, and this way it should be affecting human health according to the food chain. So now I will cover my part of research, microplastic in the indoor environment. So microplastic in indoor environment have attracted much attention globally. Plastics are widely used in houses, and many studies are showing that microplastic abilities in the indoor environment was larger than the detected in outdoor environment in the same size. So there are three pathways of human exposure to microplastic in the indoor environment. We have inhalation through indoor air, outdoor air, ingestion, water, food, dust, and we have direct contact, cosmetic, and synthetic fiber. The potential disease of microplastic, oxidative stress, translocation, inflammation, and accumulation. So, what I have done for this study in the indoor environment, applying a combination of active and passive air sampling techniques to investigate the abilities and morphology and the combination of microplastic in the indoor air samples collected from home and work placements. As you see in this photo, this we call it glass filter dish. I use for atmospheric dispersion sampler for passive sampling, and this for active sampling by using small pump designed for the indoor environment, connected to metal attachment, as you see, to collect particles from the air. So, when I done from the sampling, what I do in the lab. So I try to explain briefly what I do in the lab. First step, I transfer the microplastic particles during the vacuum filtration. Then I do the we call oxidation process to burning unwanted particles. Then I use two instruments, the digital fluorescence microscope to count the particles